garnish.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. By the title, you already know what I'm about to make today. It's my famous Alfredo. It's not your basic Alfredo. Mine, I promise you, will change your life. So what you'll need are these ingredients: heavy whipping cream, Parmesan cheese, olive oil or whatever oil you like to use, a red onion, spinach. I'm using linguine today. I normally use penne noodles, some fresh shrimp, and I'm torn right now between if I want to make salmon with it or crab cakes. I just asked my Instagram, so we'll wait to see what they say. But right now I already got started my boiling water and then my pan. Okay, so while that pan gets hot, I'm about to start cleaning my shrimp first. That's the first step. I'll be back after I do that. Okay, so I washed the shrimp off. It was already peeled, deveined, and then the tail was already off. So I just rinsed it off with some warm water. And now I'm about to take my red onion and just slice this up. So the oil spilled everywhere, so I just had to pour it over the mushroom, and I'm about to just throw it in this pan. But here's the mushrooms and the onions, and this is the water. The water is ready. I didn't put no salt or oil in it, so I'm gonna put a little bit of oil just so it's not sticking. The pasta won't stick. And while this is cooking, I'm about to season it with some pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and like minced garlic. I'm gonna get all the seasonings out that y'all gonna need with this food. Definitely gonna need the Old Bay for your shrimp or salmon. Onion powder, creole. You gotta have a creole. Got to. And then paprika, and then pepper. And I got this cooking on medium heat, but I'm gonna actually turn it down. And I'm about to put my linguine in. Child, do not break your stuff up. Don't do that. We are grown now. We do not cut our pasta up. We do not break our pasta of everything. Like that much pasta. So I'm just push it in here, and then I'm gonna put the top on. Okay, and I cannot find the minced garlic, so hold on. Okay, bam. Minced garlic. You have to have this. The garlic powder will do, but it's just something about that minced garlic. Now for the shrimp, I'm about to season it with the same stuff that I put on the mushrooms. Okay, so I'm about to take this off now. You can tell it's ready when the onions start being like translucent, and the mushrooms, like I could just tell they're ready because they like soft. Okay, we gotta get our sauce together. I'm gonna take some real butter and get about like 3.5 tablespoons. And the pasta look like it's about done, so I'm gonna turn it off, pour the hot water off of it, and then rinse it off with cold water so it can stop cooking. The butter is done for the sauce. I'm about to pour in my shrimp now, and I'm just going to let it cook on each side for like 1.5 minutes just so I don't overcook it, because it is going to be cooking more in the sauce. I just took all the shrimp out of the pan, And now I'm gonna put in the heavy whipping cream. I like making the shrimp first in it because I like the seafood taste that it leaves behind in the butter and stuff. So I'm gonna pour, really I don't even be measuring, but just because I'm doing a cooking video, I'm gonna try to give y'all measurements. So I'm gonna put about a cup in. I know I'm gonna have to add some more. Actually, I'm gonna put another half a cup. So it's still about 3 tablespoons of butter in there. If it's not a lot left, you could add some more butter, or if you didn't even cook with butter, just add whatever you use to cook the vegetables and the shrimp. And now, while my sauce heats up, I'm gonna start on my salmon. That's what Instagram said I should make, so that's what I'm gonna do. All right, we almost done. I gotta add the Parmesan cheese to the heavy whipping cream. This how it look, and I'm just gonna add this whole thing to it. Just like that, and you gotta keep mixing it. I am gonna add some more heavy whipping cream and cheese just cause like I got all this pasta right here, and I don't like no dry pasta. Add a little bit more like that. And I'm adding the second thing of cheese. I'm gonna leave this much left just so I can top it off with it at the end. And make sure, like I said, you just keep stirring it because it will start sticking at the bottom if you don't constantly stir it. While this melted, I'm about to start adding the same seasonings that we've been using for literally everything else. We're gonna do, since this is done, I'm about to take all the shrimp and pour it over in the pasta, or in the sauce. Then I'm gonna take all the veggies that we sauteed, pour it over in her. Oh my gosh, this is about to be so bomb. Okay, then give this a good stir. Oh my gosh, my mouth is literally watering up. Okay, so I'm gonna put some spinach all in here too. Okay, now mix all this up. If I had some tomatoes too, it's fine. I normally do have tomatoes, but I just forgot to get the grape tomatoes. But if you got tomatoes, put that over in. It'll be so good. So now I'm just gonna take my sauce from the pan and just pick it up and throw it over. Just like that. Oh my gosh. Everything is ready. I'm so excited to eat. I'm about to plate. Plating has to be definitely like one of my favorite parts about cooking. So let me get y'all a good view. Okay, y'all, let's taste test it. Hold on. Okay. Gosh, I gotta get some in every bite. All right, cheers. I promise you, and I'm not exaggerating, this could definitely be in an Italian restaurant. 1000%. This is so good. The fish, baby, that fish though. That is good. Everything. Fork trying to run away from me. Hold on. Hold on, I gotta get some of the bread. The shrimp. And I'm not even gonna lie, I do be overcooking my shrimp, but this is perfect. And I'm sorry, I'm smacking, but the fresh shrimp too, this is my first time ever doing fresh shrimp. I'm never gonna do frozen. Y'all, please try this. I promise you, you are gonna thank me. You're gonna love me, because like, I literally never make Alfredo anymore if it's not like a homemade sauce, because this changes your life. And like, I just can never go back. I don't even remember the last time I made Alfredo sauce with canned sauce, because like the homemade sauce don't take nothing. Like, it's so cheap. All you need is butter, heavy whipping cream, and Parmesan cheese. So it don't take nothing. Actually, I'm so rude. I didn't even let y'all try now, or offer y'all now. Hold on. Open your mouth. I'm gonna put a little bit of everything on there. Let me find the shrimp. There we go. Open your mouth. Here. There you go. Open. Wider. There you go. But if you end up trying this recipe, make sure you tag me, or just leave it in the comments what you thought about it, what you did different, what you added. Let me know. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Don't forget